This app just changed the game for delivery drivers, because if you guys don't have this app, you should... Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing another daily dash, and the game has been changed for delivery drivers once and for all. There's an app called Bean where it's going to help you find your apartment. So every time you need to get to an apartment, like we've all been there before, where you are delivering to an apartment complex and then you got to drive around the whole thing and you can barely see the numbers and you don't know where it is. So shout out to Casey Remior, I think that's how you say your last name. Thanks, Casey, for letting us know about this app called Beans with an S, sorry. So basically this app is going to help you find apartment complexes, especially, I think it's all over the entire country. I was just looking and I haven't actually used it, so we're gonna try to get an apartment complex app or an apartment complex order today on the Daily Dash. It is Sunday today, so always a good day to go out and make some extra money. Sundays are my favorite day. I always say that. It's a good day to make some extra money. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to get a apartment complex order. I don't think I already have an order. I actually got it before I even started the dash today, and this one is delivering to a house. So hopefully within the second order we get an apartment complex order. We got the order. Got the order right there. It's a big one. It's a lot of pho. It's from some pho place. So driving back over here. Hopefully, I'm fishing for an apartment. Of all days that I'm trying to get an apartment complex order, which is never, and I probably, even after this app, will still try to avoid apartment complexes. I don't know, maybe it'll be so good. But I'm looking forward to trying this thing and see if it really changes the game. Just dropped off that first order. Did not get a post tip. I was really hoping for one though, because it was a expensive pho place, you know? Usually those places give you a post tip. Driving right now, so it's kind of hard to record, but we got a absolute garbage order, but it looks like it delivered to some apartment complexes, so I'm gonna take it. It's $5.50 for 4.7 miles, but just because I'm trying to show the new app called Beans, actually I'm gonna check real quick to make sure that it is actually an apartment complex, because that would suck if I did. Yeah, it's apartment complexes. That would suck if I did an order that was really crappy to show you guys how this app works, and then it ended up not being an apartment complex. But yeah, so it says apartment 2017, which means this video is gonna be worth it. We got the order. Oh, there it is. Yeah, and it's a good thing that I got this app, because we got some ice cream for these people, and they're gonna be much happier that I got this Beans app. Hopefully, this is not a sponsored ad for Beans, by the way, but maybe I should, because of how many times that I've talked about how much I hate delivering to apartment complexes. So I'm gonna pull up this app, get that address right in there. Hopefully this works. I'm really hoping. Otherwise, depending on how this delivery goes is how I'm gonna title this video. It's either gonna be this app changed the game for DoorDash, or it's gonna be worst app ever attempted to make for DoorDash. So it's gonna be one of the two. I guess that you can use it for anything, but yeah, apartments, they're always such a bitch to find, especially if they don't give you directions. You don't, some places they have a map and you can sit there and look at the map. I always try to do that, because otherwise you sit there and it takes forever to find apartments if you don't know where you're going already. Fortunately, I think maybe DoorDash maybe leaves a note and oh, if you have an apartment complex, leave directions for your driver. I don't know if they do that or not, but I've been noticing that there's been a lot more directions lately than there has been before. All right, so we are pulling up to the apartment complex right now, and I can click right there. It shows the address of where we're going. Then I search. Then what's next? I'm gonna chill right here for a second. What am I looking for? What number? 2017. 2017. Oh man. Oh, 2017. I type it in. Ooh, building 5. Okay. So it looks like it just shows you right there that that's where the building is. So, oh my God, that is exactly where the building is. So, okay. So far, so good. Yeah, this literally shows you exactly where it is. So that's at least a help, you know, if you can't find it. Fortunately, this person's lucky because they didn't give me a gate code. I don't know why they're lucky, but they didn't give me a damn gate code. So it doesn't really help out for customers that don't give you the gate code. You guys staring at me like I'm a weirdo. He's right, I'm a weirdo. A little confused as to how my phone knows that I want to go to the gym. My gym is like right here somewhere. They're giving me an order that's taking me pretty much exactly to the gym, which is like best case scenario, you know, because that's where I wanted to go anyway. So now we're gonna get paid an $11 order to go to the gym. But yeah, so basically the Beans app shows you exactly where the apartment building or apartment number is and everything, which honestly could be pretty damn useful, especially if there's no map at the beginning, which some of them have. I feel like they should all have maps, but some of them don't, and some of the maps just suck really, really bad, like the bump going into that apartment complex. Jesus. Alright, and you know what's funny? Is this order, this $11 order that we're taking, God, that lighting is horrible. This one also goes to an apartment, so we're going to use this app one more time and see, and just see how it works, if it works everywhere, you know? So hopefully this app goes 2 for 0. No, 2 for 2. What an idiot. Why did I say that? 2 for 0. You can't even go 2 for 0. 2 for 2. Alright. Got the order. Now we're on the way. I never eat Indian food, I gotta be honest, but it smells really damn good. I don't know what this drink is, but it's called a lassi. Anyone know what a lassi is? Lassi? I don't know. Seems just like, I don't know. I was looking at like the items, and I can't really pronounce any of the items that I was picking up, so it's kind of like, yeah, here. We got to drive like 9 miles to this place, but it's all good because I was driving 9 miles either way towards this place because I was going to the gym. Gains. Blurry plane. Oh yeah. Touchdown. Some people call me the king of the blurry zoom, because every time I try to zoom in on something, my camera's still blurry. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Like, because I used to always have my camera on manual focus, so I'd be able to focus really well, but then it would always be slightly out of focus, and now I have this autofocus on. I don't know which one to do, because I'm not going to switch the focus when I need to focus, you know? I don't know. Focus. God. Alright, check this out. That's where we're going. Found it on the map already. So far pretty simple. We're basically going to just pull into the apartment complex and type in the number of which we are going to, which is 1717. Alright, so check it out. This already gave me the building number and everything, so I already basically know where I'm going. I literally just smashed through that gate. I didn't smash it, but I drove through so quickly to not get hit by the gate, because I didn't want to go back and type in the gate code because I was taking way too damn long to drive through it. Alright, so basically I can just follow these directions and go straight to this building, and I shouldn't have to look at a map or anything because they didn't give me any directions on this one. That first order, they actually gave me directions. This one, they weren't as nice to give me directions, but it doesn't matter because we got the Beans app. So let's see. Then we should be going left right here, and it looks like we go straight. You can see that right there. I don't know if you can see it because sometimes the camera sucks at focusing, but, and then it looks like building 17 is not this one, but the next one on the right. Oh my God. And then it shows me exactly where the number is, and it's in the back right of the building. So, ooh, and we got a parking space right here. Okay. So far, I'm really liking this app. Thank you, Casey. All right, so be right back. I'll tell you if this works or not. All right, I gotta be honest, this app completely changed the game for delivery driving, and I am so stoked. Thank you, Casey, for telling me about this. But seriously, this app just changed the game for delivery drivers, because if you guys don't have this app, you should download it right now. Seriously, this app just made it like I literally walked up to the I literally walked up to the building, and it shows me exactly where the door is and everything. I don't even have to walk around like I normally do and try to find the number. It shows me where the door is and everything. Like this app is gonna get bought out by like DoorDash or something. I guarantee it, like pretty soon. This app is, man, I'm just happy because I can deliver to apartment complexes now with no worries. So again, shout out Casey for telling me about this one. Anyways, so we're on the way to the gym right now. I'm only like a block away. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys haven't yet, please consider smashing the like button if you guys like this video at all, or if you're going to download the app. And also comment down below if you guys get the app or if it works for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you subscribe. Peace.